Alright, buckle up because I'm about to hit you with a whirlwind tour through the weird and wild science of the paranormal. Ever wondered if ghosts are real, or what science actually says about haunted houses, telekinesis, or mysterious lights in the sky? Let's blast into the latest findings at 1.36x speed, so keep your eyes on those subtitles. First off, believe it or not, a whopping 45% of people worldwide claim to believe in ghosts, and nearly 30% report experiencing something paranormal at least once. But does science agree? Not really. Over the last century, researchers have published over 1,200 academic studies on paranormal phenomena, spanning ghosts, psychics, ESP, and even poltergeists. One of the biggest scientific efforts? The Stanford Research Institute ran controlled experiments on remote viewing in the 70s and 80s. Results? Mixed. About 15% of trials showed above-chance results, but critics say flaws in randomization and confirmation bias were rampant. In a massive review from 2018, only 2% of studies showed statistically significant evidence of ESP, but plot twist: when researchers controlled for bias, those results disappeared. What about haunted houses? The UK's SPR, or Society for Psychical Research, has logged over 10,000 ghost sightings since 1882. Yet, in controlled lab settings, 87% of hauntings are linked to low-frequency sound, carbon monoxide leaks, or even mold. Yep, your spooky attic might just be bad wiring. Let's talk poltergeists. In the 1980s, a study at the University of Freiburg followed 58 cases. In 76% of these, the supposed activity stopped when under continuous scientific observation. Coincidence? Maybe. But brain imaging from 2022 shows that people who report many paranormal events score 31% higher on suggestibility scales. Basically, if you're primed to see ghosts, you probably will. What about UFOs? Last year, a Pentagon report analyzed over 500 sightings. 93% were traced to drones, weather balloons, or sensor glitches. Only 2% are still unexplained, but scientists say unexplained doesn't mean alien. And yet, the search goes on. The Kessler Parapsychology Unit at the University of Edinburgh is still running double-blind ESP trials. Their verdict so far? No robust evidence, but never say never. So are paranormal activities real? Science says almost always no. But the fascination remains, and the studies just keep coming. Remember, the assembly of public facts can be imperfect. This is not a medical advice. 60 Sec University class number 137 offered by Laprove.com, source of Nopal, Silphium garum, and Pinoy. Latest scientific info distrust. Revise, subscribe.